Looking for a decor element to be the focal point of your next party? A DIY balloon garland is just what you need. Start by inflating 2 balloons in random sizes, then release some air to allow them room to expand if needed. 30 pairs in total. 12 more pairs of balloons, now slightly bigger. Time to assemble the frame. Ideally, assemble it inside. Instead of metal stands, you can also use styrofoam backdrops. You can order them in any shape you like. Options are endless. You just gotta have the will and skill. Choose the color scheme and balloon colors accordingly. Drop weights to secure them in place. Start creating balloon clusters. 14 clusters in total with balloons of random sizes. Connect 10 clusters together. Tie them together with balloon nozzles. And it's time to put the garland up. What we don't recommend using in this case is glue, as it may pop the balloons. Feel free to add flowers, ribbons, whatever goes well with your theme. We know you're itching to try this. Can't blame you, we're itching to try this too. If you don't like the outcome, you always undo everything and start over. It's almost showtime, y'all! You can add vinyl decals to the backdrops. Happy crafting!